This, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be an example of why you don't ever want to buy a Samsung refrigerator. This is the cooling, they call it the evaporator panel. And what you'll see here behind the evaporator panel is ice has built up in whatever part of the cooling system that is. And that ice continues and builds into the fan here. As you can see, the ice that is stopping the cooling fan from turning, so your fridge is going to stop cooling. And this is about the third time we've had a service technician come and replace this evaporator panel, and they have said we are not coming out anymore. It's costing us money. So I have to defrost this so I can get that fan working again and get it cooling. But I guarantee you I'll be doing this again in a few months. So don't ever buy a Samsung refrigerator.